I decided it was time to become a boat guy. So I got my first boat. It may be a little small, but for its size, it can cruise, and it's so fun to drive. Remotely, of course. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a baggie with your charging cable, AA batteries for your controller, and a boat dock. It comes with two 1100 mAh rechargeable batteries, your controller, and of course, your remote control speedboat. This boat has a double cover and is waterproof, with a strong twist lock to protect your battery. The motor is pretty cool too. It uses water circulation to cool itself and prolong its service life. All you need to get started is to charge your boat's batteries. Put in your provided AA batteries in the controller, and then find some water. Next, pop the top plate off your boat and connect your boat's battery. Then use the Velcro strap to hold the battery in its place. Then, firmly push the cover back down and slide it forward a little so it seals shut completely. Then twist the lock down to hold it in place. Now all that's left is to turn on your controller and toss your boat into the water. When the boat hits the water, it pairs to your controller and you're ready to go. The controller is really user-friendly and gives you great control over the boat. It just zips around and can go upwards of 20 miles an hour. It cruises by, creating a micro rooster tail, kicking up water for all to see. The controller has a 500-foot range and allowed me to drive the boat all over the pond. And if you charge up and bring both batteries with you, you'll get a half-hour of runtime, giving you plenty of time to race around and have some fun. Then when the battery is running low, the controller will beep, letting you know it's time to come back. I had a blast driving this boat around and making some figure-8 waves in the pond. It's so fast and it's even durable. Our pond is full of algae and reeds. I wrecked into the shoreline and got it stuck in the reeds. So I fished it out and made sure the motor was clean. Then went for another round of high-speed boating. And if you happen to flip it, it has a self-righting auto rollback feature. And you even have the option to reverse your boat. You really do have so much control over this. I know I had a blast using this boat. So whether you're enjoying a nice summer day by the water and want a fun activity to do, or you have kids that would enjoy racing, this boat might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the pond, where I'm going to use my boat to scare away some geese. See ya.